13 early signs. Your kidneys may be in trouble. Don't ignore these warnings. Every day, your body relies on two bean-shaped organs tucked just below your ribcage, your kidneys. They might not get much attention, but these silent powerhouses are responsible for filtering 50 gallons of blood daily, removing toxins, balancing fluids, and keeping your blood pressure in check. The scary truth? Kidney disease often sneaks up on people. According to the CDC, over 37 million Americans are living with some form of kidney disease, yet nearly 9 out of 10 don't realize it until the condition is advanced. By that point, treatment becomes harder and options fewer. The good news is that your body often sends warning signals long before complete kidney failure. The problem? Most people mistake them for aging, stress, or minor health issues. In this article, we'll walk through 13 early signs of kidney failure. If you recognize several of these in your own life, it's important to consult a healthcare professional. The earlier you take action, the better your chances of protecting your kidneys and your future health. 1. Constant fatigue and weakness. Do you wake up feeling like you didn't sleep at all? Do simple tasks drain your energy? Chronic fatigue can be more than just stress. When your kidneys weaken, they produce less erythropoietin, a hormone that stimulates red blood cell production. With fewer red blood cells, less oxygen reaches your muscles and brain. This can leave you exhausted, weak, and struggling to focus, a condition called anemia. 2. Swelling in feet, ankles, or hands. Notice your socks leaving deep marks on your ankles. Are your shoes suddenly tight? Swelling or edema happens when failing kidneys can't remove excess sodium and water from the body. Unlike swelling from standing too long or eating salty food, kidney-related edema is persistent and often spreads upward to your legs, face, and even hands. 3. Changes in urination. Your urine is like a daily health report. Changes to watch for include foamy or bubbly urine, a sign of protein leaking into the urine. Frequent nighttime urination, kidneys struggling to concentrate urine. Dark, cola-colored, or pink urine, possible blood presence. These symptoms should never be brushed aside. They're among the earliest and most obvious red flags of kidney damage. 4. Shortness of breath. If climbing stairs leaves you breathless when it never used to, the culprit may not be your heart or lungs. It could be your kidneys. There are two main reasons. 1. Anemia reduces oxygen delivery to tissues. 2. Fluid buildup from kidney failure can enter the lungs, pulmonary edema, making it hard to breathe. People often describe it as drowning from the inside. 5. Persistent nausea and vomiting. Have you lost interest in food or feel nauseous for no clear reason? When kidneys fail, toxins that should be excreted build up in the blood, a condition called uremia. This toxic overload irritates the stomach and disrupts appetite signals in the brain. Over time, it can lead to unintentional weight loss and malnutrition. 6. Unexplained itching. An itch that just won't quit, not from allergies or dry skin, can be linked to kidney failure. As phosphorus and waste products accumulate in the bloodstream, they irritate nerve endings under the skin. Many describe it as a deep internal itch that's impossible to scratch away. Conventional lotions and antihistamines often don't help, since the problem is chemical, not surface level. 7. Metallic taste and bad breath. When waste products circulate in your blood, they affect your taste buds and saliva. Many people with kidney disease notice a metallic or ammonia-like taste in their mouth. Meals lose flavor, leading to reduced food intake. Bad breath that smells like urine or ammonia can also appear, as toxins are exhaled through the lungs. 8. Muscle cramps. Cramps that jolt you awake at night or strike randomly during the day can signal kidney imbalance. Healthy kidneys carefully regulate electrolytes like calcium, potassium, and magnesium. When this balance falters, nerves and muscles misfire, causing painful spasms. High potassium, in particular, can be life-threatening if it disrupts heart rhythm. 9. Brain fog and poor concentration. Forgetting why you walked into a room or struggling to follow conversations isn't always just aging. Toxins from kidney dysfunction can cross the blood-brain barrier, interfering with memory and concentration. Doctors call this uremic encephalopathy. Even people in early stages of kidney disease can experience measurable cognitive decline. 10. Puffy eyes in the morning. Waking up with swollen, puffy eyes may indicate protein leakage. Normally, kidneys keep essential proteins in the blood. When damaged, they let proteins like albumin escape into the urine, reducing blood protein levels and leading to fluid buildup around the eyes. Morning puffiness is especially common because fluid collects while lying down. 11th. High blood pressure. Kidneys and blood pressure are closely linked. Your kidneys regulate fluid volume, sodium balance, and release hormones that control blood vessel tension. When they're damaged, these systems malfunction, creating a dangerous cycle of hypertension that further injures the kidneys. If your blood pressure keeps climbing despite medication, kidney health should be investigated. 12th. Dry, flaky skin. Your skin reflects your internal balance. When kidneys fail, they can't maintain proper mineral and nutrient levels, like vitamin D or phosphorus. This imbalance, along with chronic inflammation, results in skin that is unusually dry, itchy, or flaky. Skincare products rarely solve the issue, since the root problem lies deeper. 13. Loss of appetite and weight loss. If food doesn't appeal anymore and pounds are dropping without effort, that's not a blessing. It's a warning. Uremic toxins suppress hunger hormones and stimulate inflammation, leaving you disinterested in meals. Over time, this leads to muscle wasting and weakness, which worsens kidney decline in a vicious cycle. Kidney disease is often called a silent killer because many people don't notice symptoms until significant, sometimes irreversible damage has occurred. But you now know the warning signs: fatigue, swelling, urine changes, shortness of breath, nausea, itching, metallic taste, cramps, brain fog, puffy eyes, high blood pressure, dry skin, and weight loss. If you recognize several of these, don't delay. A simple blood test, creatinine, eGFR, and urine test, protein levels, can detect kidney issues early. Early treatment can slow or even halt progression, giving you more options to protect your health. Beyond medical testing, here are some practical ways to support kidney health. Stay hydrated, but avoid overhydration. Limit salt intake, which reduces blood pressure and fluid strain. Avoid excessive painkillers, NSAIDs, that stress the kidneys. Monitor blood pressure and blood sugar, especially if you're diabetic. Eat a balanced diet rich in vegetables, fruits, and lean proteins. Exercise regularly, but avoid overexertion. Get regular checkups, particularly if kidney disease runs in your family. Your kidneys work tirelessly to keep your body balanced and free of toxins. When they start to fail, your body does everything it can to warn you, often in subtle, easily overlooked ways. By paying attention to these 13 early signs, you empower yourself to take action sooner rather than later. Remember, knowledge is prevention. If you experience persistent symptoms from this list, talk to your doctor. Early intervention could make the difference between manageable treatment and lifelong dialysis. Take care of your kidneys, and they'll take care of you.